Hi guys, today I'm in Ras Al Khaimah. The reason I came here is the conference, the future of Ras Al Khaimah. It was very interesting, very productive information. The CEO of Marjan spoke, CEO of Wynn Resort, the government of Ras Al Khaimah, government officials, and even for me it was a lot of useful information about the future of the Ras Al Khaimah, Marjan Island, the economy, and I posted a video already on YouTube, so you can go back and you can watch a part of the presentation for yourself. So now, in this video, I'm next to the model of Marjan Island. So briefly, we'll speak about the Marjan Island. As you know, I made many videos about different developers over the last 2 years. And then after that, we're going to have a site visit. I'm going to visit Marjan Island, drive around, and to show you the construction update. And also, I'm very impressed by the construction progress of Wynn Resort. You'll see that on the video. It's like maybe 15 floors already completed, and it's scheduled to hand over and be ready by first quarter of 2027. So now we are next to the Marjan Island. That's the main entrance to Marjan Island. As we enter, there is a Rixos Hotel, Bab al Bahr Residences. Marjan Island consists of 4 islands. This is the first island, which is called Breeze. Then second island, where majority of the hotels, some of the hotels and also the residential launches. As you see that I like, they put the actual models of the projects of different developers. For example, this one, Sora Beach Residence, I did a video about this project. Then Masa Residence, I did a video as well. Then as we move there on that side, we have JW Marriott. Then one of the latest launches, La Mer by Elisab, 3 beautiful towers, I did a review as well. So that's the second island. Then third island, it's called The View. So that's the island where the majority of the residential projects. So some of them, as you can see from the model, for example, we have Aqua Arc project over there. Then we have Manta Bay project. Then we have one of the biggest and maybe one of the best in my opinion. It's Address Residences Marjan Island. I did a review recently as well. So it's like a master development. They have all of these huge plots. They have 6 residential buildings. They have a hotel. They have 80 units of townhouses, and they have 8 units of front water-facing villas. Then that is the Dana Bay on the other side. I did a video as well, and residences, townhouses, and villas. And the Dream Island, it's called Dream Island. That is the whole island for Wynn Resort. It's a $4 billion investment in that island. Construction is going on. The progress is very fast, and it will be a new iconic destination in UAE, and also the tower itself. So there will be, in the video that I posted from the conference, they did the CEO of Marjan. He spoke about the development, and also the CEO and senior vice president from Wynn Resorts, the master plan of the island. It's very impressive. There will be marina, there will be a lot of entertainment, the beach, different residences. So it's a very, very attractive, and definitely will attract a lot of tourists in the future. So now let's go to the site and let's see what's going on Marjan Island. All right, before going to Marjan Island, from this place, where is the Al Hamra Exhibition Center, it's a part of Al Hamra village, we can see the construction of Wynn Resort. So it's a very nice view towards the Wynn Resort. I came here last time, maybe around 6 months ago. They would, or maybe a little bit more. They just started the foundation. This time, maybe already 20, 30 floors completed, and the work is going on 24/7, and definitely it will be completed on time. So now, let's sit in the car and let's go to Marjan. Here is main entrance to Marjan Island. On the right side we have Bab al Bahr Residences, and the next one is the Rixos Hotel. That's Rixos Hotel. So we are on Island 1. Rosso Bay, Nikki Beach. Mountain Peak Hotel, it's operating, then another one is DoubleTree by Hilton. Row Hotel. Sora Beach Residences. Hampton Hotel by Hilton. Arc Developers, Sora Beach Residence. Now we're moving to the second island. Here is plot for La Mer by Elisab. 3 beautiful towers. I did a review some time ago by Art Developments. Radisson Hotel. For the project Unexpected. It was launched some time ago as well. Alman Real Estate Development. And that's the entrance to the Casino Island, Dream Island, where is the Wynn Resort. We cannot go inside, but to give you an idea, I came here around maybe a year ago, maybe a little bit more, and it was, they just started the construction. Now, as you can see, there's the main building on the Wynn Resort. One of the best contractors and consultants. Okay, as you can see, even there on Google Maps, you can see the progress of the construction. Okay, now we'll move to the third island, which is where the most of the residential projects, residential launches. plots, it's by Range Developments, the Beach House project. Then Aston Martin residences, Astera by Aston Martin. Then we have Damak, Shoreline by Damak. They have a very good plot with a view to the Wynn Resorts. Very good design, and the good thing about it's mostly sold out. It's 99% sold out. They have all of the units with the sea view. Dana Bay by Dubai Investments. Also, I made some video some time ago. The villas townhouse is mostly completed and they increased a lot in value. They are fully sold out, and they had some units in the residential tower. Then one of the first projects, that's I think one of the first time I came to the construction site on Marjan Island, that was the Oceano by Lux Developers. Here we go. The work is going on, they're doing the foundation. As we can see, really beautiful project. Aqua Arc project by BMW Developments. Also I did a video review of this one. MR, one of the best and one of the biggest plots, and in my opinion one of the best projects in Marjan Island. That's Address Residences Marjan by MR. It will be a beautiful community, beautiful community. Recently, a few days ago, I did a presentation I posted on my YouTube. Recently they launched last building. It's one of the first projects in Marjan Island. It's completed a long time ago. It's a Pacific by Select Group. Project by Range Developments. Durar Group, Massa Residence. I did a review as well of this development. Alright guys, that was the tour around Marjan Island. Now I will add some video from the drone that was presented today on the conference. Have a look as well. If you'd like to receive more information on the latest offerings, what is available for sale on Marjan Island, you can contact me. My contact details below on the screen. I'll be glad to help you and to choose the best option for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.